Hey there, Heritage Landing fans. Roberto Lee here at Heritage Landing in Punta Gorda, and we're previewing this inventory home that's available here in the community. It's the Napoli floor plan, part of the estate line of homes that you're going to find here at Heritage Landing. The Napoli is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 3-car garage, and you also get the den as well. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful home. So right when you walk in, you've got your great room area, your kitchen, your dining space, and then just off to the side of the entry, you have your den here, which your den does have a closet, so you could use it as a 4th bedroom. One of the nice things about this home here, it's got tile throughout, so no carpet. First off, to the right of the den, this is where your master is. So you've got a nice little entry to your master. And really nice large space here with the bay windows. And then you do have access to your lanai right there through the door. Now, one of the things I like about this floor plan, you've got this huge closet right here. Now, right off the closet area, you've got your master bath here. So you've got your split sinks, you've got your tub, the walk-in shower here, and then directly behind me you have your enclosed water closet and your linen closet. Now we're going to shoot out into the main area again and take a look at your kitchen area here. So here you've got your granite countertops, your white cabinets, full stainless appliance package with your wall oven and microwave. Right here is your eating kitchen area, which also gives you access out to your lanai. And then right off the eating kitchen area, you've got the half bath over here, which really would double as a pool bath, because this door right here is where you would come in from if you decided to put a pool on this home. Now, right off the kitchen, you've got your laundry space. A really nice sized laundry room here, plenty of cabinets. You've got utility sink, full-size washer and dryer, and that's access to your 3-car garage right there. And then we have our guest bedrooms right behind the kitchen here. Guest bedroom number 1. And sandwiched in between the guest bedrooms, you have your guest bath here with the singular sink, commode, and shower. And then you've got guest bedroom number 2 right here as well. Last but not least on this home, you've got the exterior lanai space. So you've got a really nice size lanai under truss here. All right, folks, so this is the Napoli floor plan. It is ready to close here in November. If you're interested in this home, you're going to get a great deal. Give us a call, shoot us a text message, send us an email. Let us help you find your perfect home there. We'll talk to you soon.